Welcome to the NASCAR Subway Cup Season 3 All-Star Race at Charlotte Motor Speedway. In only 5. And the top 3 finishers get in, plus the fan vote. Here's the starting lineup. In row 1, Jared Magoon and Joshua Perry. Row 2, we find Martin Kelly and Chance Green hoping for his first win. Row 3, Derek Pemberton and his new ride and Zach Buchanan. Row 4, Adam Chance and DJ Becker. Row 5, Kirk Mornick and Nathan Campbell. Row 6, Rob Bob and Alex Jones. Row 7, Jackson Braun and Patrick Danny. Row 8, Chris Rickenball and Jason Marshall. Row 9, Dylan Schwallenberg and Alex Stranker. Sorry if I said your name wrong. Row 10, Austin Marshall and Connor Germain. Row 11, Zach Austin and Brock Marshall. Row 12, Joey Cross, I guess it is. Chris, something like that. Please tell me. Row 13, brother of Tyler, Matthew Chance. Row 14, Britt Dooley and Bob Marshall. And the final row, Mason Wood. Adam is also brothers with Matthew and Tyler. Here's the start lap 1 of 5. Here they come across the line to take lap 1. Oh! Jared Magoon and Joshua Perry around. Here's the replay. Okay, this is not a frame by frame. Ooh, Martin Kelly got into the back of him. Dude, that's just uncalled for. Only because Jared Magoon has been hoping to win for a long time. There was the full speed. I mean, to get knocked out on the first lap, they will both go to the garage and not come back out. Here's a restart at lap 3 of 5. There they go across the line. Zach Buchanan making it 3 wide. DJ Becker will pass, and so will Kirk Mornick. Here they come to take lap 4. Zach Buchanan still leading Stuart Haas' teammate, trying to get around him. Here they come across the line to take the white flag. It looks like Bob Marshall will go a lap down. Yep. Here they come to the finish line. And Zach Buchanan wins. So he will be the first place transfer. Here are the transfers. Zach Buchanan will be your first place transfer. And will start 12th. DJ Becker will start 13th. He is the second place transfer. And Kirk Mornick, who will start 14th in the third place transfer. And the fan vote is, drum roll please, Jared Magoon. Now here's your intro to the All-Star race. Tell me how you like it. Here's the starting lineup for this year's All-Star race. Starting 15th, the winner of the fan vote, Jared Magoon. Starting 14th, your third place transfer. Running his final race, Kirk Mornick. Starting 13th, your second place transfer, DJ Becker. Starting 12th, the first place transfer, the person who I can never get his last name right, Zach Buchanan. Starting 11th, Bobby Hall. Starting 10th, Joseph Clark got a push from Jordan Nicolato to win the race. Starting 8th, Season 3 Race 7 winner. Marcus Bracalo beat his teammate Bob McBob to the line. Starting 7th, Season 3 Race 5 transfer, Taylor Oder, who was also Season 2 Race 10 winner. Starting 6th, Season 3 Race 4 winner and history maker Connor Breeden as the first log-hand Penske Racing Dodge champion. Starting 5th, Season 3 Race 3 winner Jordan Nicolato. Starting 4th, Season 3 Race 2 winner Bob McBob. Starting 3rd, Season 3 Race 1 and 5 winner Tyler Chance, whose brothers didn't make it in sadly. Starting 3rd, Season 2 All-Star Race winner Chase Emerson. Starting 1st, Season 2 champion Justin Perry. You guys ready? Here's the start. Lap 1 of 15 for the Season 3 All-Star Race. As you see the pace car pull in and we get ready to go. Here we go, lap 1. Justin Perry leads them into turn 1 and on the back stretch. There they go to take lap 2. Justin Perry still leading, Tyler Chance second now. Here's a flyby of the field. Kirk Warnick kind of dropped back. I'm not sure if that's strategy or something. There we go to take lap 3. Chase Emerson still running 3rd. DJ Becker moving up the field though. Justin Perry and Tyler Chance got a gap on the field and we will take a quick commercial break. Welcome back on lap 6 of 15. Tyler Chance takes the lead and they almost spun out there. Oh, DJ Becker smacked the wall coming to take lap 7. We are officially halfway there. Oh no! Connor Breeden into the wall. I'm not sure why the caution thing's messed up. Yellow flag lap 7 of 15. What a sad way to end his All-Star Race run. See, there the leaders are taking lap 7. I think he got turned. I'm not sure if Jared Magoon's getting all his anger out on someone else. Here's a frame by frame just to see. Now Jared Magoon was trying to pass him for the past couple of laps and got into him to send him around, and that's how he passed him. You see Connor Breeden coming back down. Almost hit Magoon and Buchanan, but luckily enough stops. Because that would have ended Kirk Warnick's day. Now DJ Becker did smack the wall, but lightly. He will still continue. What a sad way to end the All-Star race. There's the field lining up for the restart on lap 9 of 15. Here they come. There they go. Tyler Chance leads them into turn. Whoa! They just went 3 wide and Jordan Nicolato. Taylor Oder into the wall. Right on the restart. Yellow flag lap 9 of 15. What happened there? Here's a full speed replay. Now Jordan Nicolato saved it, and that's when Taylor Oder went around. Here's a frame by frame just to see what happened and how his All-Star race ended. Ooh, Chase Emerson came up while Taylor Oder was going down. Ooh. That is like the 3rd or 4th time this season someone has hit the inside wall like that. See, DJ Becker made it 3 wide on the restart, and he got into Ippolito. See right there. And Ippolito got sideways, but still saved it. Here's the restart lap 10 of 15. We got about 6 laps to go. There they go across the finish line. Tyler Chance still pulling away from the field, and DJ Becker will take second. Now Tyler Chance has someone knocking on his back door with 5 laps to go. But here comes Marcus Ricciardo to take third from Justin Perry. Tyler Chance will lead with 4 laps to go. Here they come into turn. Oh no! Justin Perry saves it! And again, the caution thing's messed up. Yellow flag lap 12 of 15. Here's a full speed replay. What happened? Oh, and he saved it. That's the second All-Star race in a row he saved it. Here's an FBF replay, or frame by frame. Justin Perry came down on Marcus Ricciardo. And that's what sent Justin Perry around. I think it was last All-Star race, Chase Emerson came down on Justin Perry and sent Justin Perry around. But he saved it. Awesome job for the Season 2 champion. Watch Chase Emerson. Oh, he barely missed him. Here's the restart. 3 laps to go. Here they come to take the green flag for what may be the last time, unless we have a green-white checkered. Tyler Chance leading it down. DJ Becker still fighting hard on the outside line. Here they come. 2 laps to go. It's now just 3. Everybody else is too far back to win it. DJ Becker powers on the outside and will take the lead. They are now single file on the last lap. DJ Becker going to lap the 55 on the outside, which won't give room for Tyler Chance to get there. DJ Becker will win the Season 3 All-Star race. What an awesome finish. Here's the burnout. DJ Becker is probably screaming in joy right now. That was awesome. Here are the finishing positions. Finishing first was the 10 of DJ Becker, which, by the way, all Stewart-Haas cars got in. Second was Tyler Chance, with that lap car in the way he couldn't get to the outside and pass. Third was Marcus Ricciardo. Pretty good run, but this doesn't count for points. Fourth is Joseph Clark in the 42. Pretty good after his win last race. Fifth is Jordan Ippolito, his teammate. Second season were both Chip Ganassi cars got in. Sixth is the 11 of Bob McBob, see right next to his picture. Seventh is the 31 of Jared Magoon. Good after starting 15th. Eighth is the 4 of Chase Emerson. Just didn't have a very good day. Ninth in the 99, Kirk Mornick. This was his last race. 10th, Justin Perry dropped way back after spinning. 11th was Zach Buchanan, right where he started. 12th is Brian Tomey. He kind of fell back too. 13th was Bobby Hall, who went a lap down on the last lap. 15th was Taylor Yoder, who wrecked out. Sad way to end it, and Connor Breton wrecked out as well. Only 2 cars wrecked out, which is pretty impressive. Goodbye, Kirk Mornick. I'm sure we will all miss you. I know I will. And DJ Becker, your Subway Cup Series Season 3 All-Star Race winner. That picture was an actual picture.